It's been a while, right? Oh my god, I miss you guys so much. But as you guys know, life was lifing. Anywho, so right now I'm actually going to the Carnation Market. So let's see what we can get, because you know, the weekend just passed and persons are saying that I can't go market there now. But you know, I'm going to the market now, so let's see how the price goes. We'll negotiate with some persons and try to get the cheapest price and good stuff. So, you know me, people, remember to subscribe and like the video then. Alright, and follow me on all the social medias as well, guys. If you're interested in live purchasing wigs, I do sell here as well at a very reasonable price. So just message me as well. So let's head to town. So right here, guys, I'm actually driving going into the Carnation Market. So these are actually some persons on their stall. You know, wholesales are on both sides of downtown Kingston. So I'm just showing you guys just a sneak peek. You can go over there, get your Dutch pot if you want to cook and so forth. You can get clothes, you know, just a regular. But I actually went a bit late, so a few persons are actually packing up to go home. So the man on his shopping cart and you know, and all of these things and that. So yeah, guys, if you go downtown, ensure that you be careful with your phone and your jewelry, okay? Good, because I don't want no one to take it and then you say, Peter, your life I vlog down there, so I can vlog down there, guys. Puss on dog do not have the same luck, guys. So please be careful when you're shopping downtown. Well, not really downtown, but like everywhere. Just be careful and be very observant, guys. You want to ensure that no one's not watching you and stuff like that. So yeah, you can get bath suit on the roadside, clothes on the road, last minute stuff. If in case some stores are actually closed, you can just get some one-stop shop thing and stuff like that. So every hustler is a hustler. So I almost reached Carnation Market, guys. So if you go to the market, what day do you go? Like, do you go on a Wednesday, on a Thursday, on a Friday, Saturday? Because I know persons who go. And if you go, guys, do you go into the market or just do you stay on the outside of the market? Let me know and comment something what you guys normally get, or do you recall going to the market with your grandparents back in the days? Let me know as well. So we're almost there, guys. But yeah, this is like the aftermath of the hurricane. So you know, persons are just selling and just want to hurry up and go back home. I heard that some lights are still not back in some of the countries. Oh my. But let's get into shopping now. Too much rambling, and just go ahead and enjoy the video.
Oh, that's hello.
Yeah, give me a pound. 2 bills?
More than 2 bills.
Yeah, nice. I put it in one bag, in another bag. One clear bag.
Come, think me I give it.
Yeah, give me it. You have change?
Yeah. Where do they looking at? Give me now. Enchilada, onion 100. Onion 100. Onion 100, onion 100.
Okay.
So yes. Yeah.
Oh, country and the weather.
Country. Not the country part.
No, I never say. Everywhere I say town alone and like him. Remember town big. But no, like that they actually. $100. Not like the Dutch lad.
What is it? Why am I yellow?
All of them. All of them are white yam. $100. $100 yam. 100.
Oh, ya kita pun dah ada kopi, yes. Oh, so dah tu.
I don't have to say it. I'm here buy. I know my buy for make me think so.
Please, me don't want a little bit of time.
These are some of the stuffs I got at the market today. Roughly 2,000 Jamaican dollars worth. You got pumpkin, pineapple, Irish, sweet potato, scallion, banana, $100 worth of lime, $50 worth of thyme, $100 plantain. I got lettuce for $100, beetroot, carrot, pop chow, 2 of these for $100. I got callaloo as well for $100, and I also got cucumber. Guys, when you go to the market, what do you guys normally shop? Oh yeah, onion, of course. This was for $250. I'm going to try to remember the price. This was for $100. In the vlog, I think the man told me the price. I think this was like $200 or $300. As I mentioned before, $100. This was for I think it was $100. Yeah, $100 Irish. Pineapple, $100. You know, to make juice. Cucumber. This was for I can't recall, to be honest with you. Scallion, either $200 or $250. I can't recall that either. Beetroot, of course, beetroot and carrot. Mixture juice, so you can use some other carrot to cook with. 2 bag of pop chow. $100. Lettuce was $100. 4 of these plantain I got as well was for $100 as well. Banana was for, was it 100? I can't recall. And then thyme was for $50 a bag. So yeah, all my stuff, look on the floor. But you know, yeah. Hey, good morning, you guys. So I'm actually heading to work right now. However, based on last night, I was not able to complete the vlog, so I should tell you guys again that thank you guys so much for the love and support. Follow me on all social media. Big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I think the next video might be a bit exciting because I might go to the river. I'm not certain. Let's see how it goes and just continue. Catch up and keep up. Let's head to work. Should I vlog today? Today's a boring day, a Sunday. I don't really want to on Sunday. Should I? I don't know. I might. It depends on my vibe. But however, people gonna make it for curly ear. That's split on. But anyways, later. Peace.